welcome to my channel. My name is Nakaya. Today I'm doing a LUVME hair install and unboxing. So I'm just going to take the hair out of the box. It comes in a mesh bag and it's also got a hair net wrapped around it. The instruction manual, a cosmetic bag. Within the cosmetic bag, there's a satin scarf for your edges, tweezers, bobby pins, a branded clip, a wig cap, an elastic band, and an edge brush. This wig is gorgeous. The specs on it are, it is 26 inches, body wave, 100% human hair from one donor, lasts for a year or more. The density is 150%. It's in the color natural black. The hairline is pre-plucked. It can be dyed. It's got adjustable straps, 4 combs, and the elastic band, and it's in a size medium. Products that I used off camera, they pretty much came from Amazon, so I will be sure to link those in the description box below. Now, using the even adhesive spray and extra firm hold, I'm just prepping for the ball cap method. Y'all remember when I told you I had ordered the medium? Okay. Well, in this moment right here, that's when I realized that I effed up because that medium was not fitting from ear to ear. Like, it's so ridiculous how I had to rock this 13x4 as a 5x5. Ugh. And another thing, please don't clock me for the way that I'm straightening my hair in this video because I don't typically straighten it like this. I was just in a rush. Again, I really dislike the fact that I ordered this in a medium. Shame on me. Everything else about this wig is phenomenal. Now, if you want me to go into like further detail, I can do a review on this unit, but I really love the thickness, the shine, the length, and that the scalp is giving what it's supposed to give. If you're looking forward to more hair unboxing and installs as well as reviews, please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will catch you in the next video. Bye!